So today we will be unboxing this TV which we have just now bought. So this is an LG TV, it is 65 inch and it is a QNED TV. It is even a mini LED. So there are multiple technologies now available in the market to help see you much better picture quality, to help you enjoy the movies more. So this one, it costed us including tax around $2,000. And LG itself, like LG 65 inch TV are available starting from around $800-900. This has costed us nearly double of that. Same 65 inch LG TV, it has costed us double because it has got those multiple additional technologies beyond that standard 4K 65 inch TV. So it has got a mini LED. So there are LEDs within the screen that you know. Mini LEDs gives out much more quantity of colors and brightness and the color contrast. It has got quantum dot technology and there is a nanocell technology. So there are so many things in this TV, and that is the reason the TV from LG itself, which were like $800-900, this is double. And if you want to go for some other brand TV, they start for 65 inch, they start from $500-600 like Hisense, TCL, Panasonic, that you can get for $500-600. But LG, Sony, Samsung, they start for 65 inch around $800-900. So now we will be opening this, and then we'll also give you a little bit of our initial expression how we liked it. This is a TV stand. These are two stands, and this is its remote, and there are battery also included. There's a bouquet. So you get these stands, and you can put them either on little bit center if you have a smaller table, or you can keep them at a distance from here and here. So you can see this is like a 3-point stand, and here this is a hook, and this is a hook. This is something that you can fit it here. So you just keep it like this, and we have screws. The TV is now unboxed and it's now on its table. So we are now in the process of setting up this TV. And one good thing about this TV, this LG TV, is it comes with a magic remote. They call it magic remote because the thing that you see on the screen that you can select, but just like point and shoot, like you use with a mouse and a cursor, in the same way you can use this remote. This is available only in LG TV, not in Sony, Samsung or any other brand, and also not in all models of LG TV. So it's there in this model. Okay, press. Magic remote is now connected. Okay, select this. How to use it?
Audio guidance is currently turned on to assist the visually impaired. Do you want to keep audio guidance turned on? Yes, no.
English, camera, and you see this cursor kind of a thing? This is the ability of Magic Remote. And now our TV is fully set up. Internet is connected. You can see the YouTube channel. Subscribe to this one, Info Buddy. It's special on this TV. Subscribe for it. Now you can take a look at the picture quality. Not sure how it is looking at your screen, but here it's looking amazing.